Are you stuck on what products to review for Amazon influencer on-site commissions? Well, in today's video, I'm going to help you out and give you 3 different types of products that will boost your earnings and help you figure out what to even review with the Amazon influencer on-site commission program. If you're new to the influencer program, or if you're already in the program looking to grow your earnings and grow your influence, I have a free support group. It's hosted on Facebook and you can join it through the link below in my description. I would be happy to have you in there. We have all types of influencers and people who are trying to learn more about the program in there, who are getting approved for on-site commissions, earning more with their Amazon influencer program, and so much more. So go ahead and jump in there and we have tons more help for you. But in today's video, we're going to discuss different types of products or what products you need to be reviewing for Amazon on-site commissions. Now, first and foremost, I want to preface this video by saying you do not need to go on Amazon or go out and buy a bunch of things to feel like you have products to review for Amazon influencer. That is absolutely not the case. What I did when I first got started and what I still do is just walk around my home. There are all types of products in my home that 1, I've either bought on Amazon, or 2, maybe I haven't bought on Amazon, but I know that Amazon sells it. So these are videos that I can do for the Amazon influencer on-site videos. So now that you know, you don't have to go out, you don't have to spend a bunch of money to get started with this. Let's go ahead and talk about 3 different types of products that you can be reviewing. First is trending products. So you can go to any type of category on Amazon, look at the best sellers, or maybe you have an idea of already what type of products or what products are trending, let's say on social media or TikTok, right? We've got products all the time now that just go viral. So if you know that there's a product out there that's trending, if you have it at home, you can review it, tell how you like it. Even if you have a competitor's product, maybe it's not the exact specific product that's trending, maybe you have an alternative that you think is better. This is an absolutely great way to get ideas to start making videos. And I would hop on this opportunity as soon as possible, because with it being a trending product, there is a con to trends end, right? They circle through. So if it's trending right now, there is a probability that the popularity of that product can go down. You always hope that it doesn't, but again, with trending products, sometimes that's just the case. Now, second option is evergreen products. And what I mean by evergreen products is there will always be a demand for these things. Things like your toothpaste, your toothbrush, your kitchen gadgets, everything around your home that people use almost all the time, right? I use almost everything in my bathroom, my kitchen, almost on a daily basis. Even things like toilet paper, where you know someone is going to use those things. Obviously, everyone needs something like that, and they're going to need to buy more of one day. I would absolutely look around your home and think about things that maybe you purchase on a monthly or every 2-month kind of cycle, and go through those products and start reviewing them in your home. And again, evergreen products that are always going to be in demand. Things like a desk or a tripod, things that you use on a day-to-day basis. And last but not least are going to be high ticket items. One thing I did when I first joined the Amazon influencer program and got approved for on-site commissions, which I walk through in this video, by the way, how I was able to get approved for on-site commissions. I went around my home and I looked at products that are a little more high ticket. I have a DSLR camera, TVs, as you can see, a computer, desktop computer back here, things like that that are a little more on the expensive side. And I tried to get those out of the way first, so that I was able to get some real high ticket items up on my storefront in my shoppable videos, because with it being a high ticket, you may not sell as many of them, although there are some higher ticket items on my Amazon influencer account that I do sell quite a few of. You make more per sale because of it being a higher ticket item. So although maybe you're just getting paid the same 2% commission on a $500 product versus a $5 product, that's going to add up and compound much more quickly. So I would recommend going through your home and looking for products that maybe cost more than $100, $200 and start reviewing those products too. So there's my advice on where to start and what products to start reviewing for your Amazon influencer on-site shoppable videos. Again, if you'd like more help with the Amazon Influencer Program, you can join my free group. I'll put the link below. And then I also have a getting started guide. If you'd like to get that instead, I'll send it right to you and you can download it. It's completely free, but it's all the steps that I took to get started, get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program, and the things that I'm doing now to grow my earnings with the program itself. So I'll put the link for that guide below as well if you'd like to get that. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave in the comments any other tips that you have for anyone else who are looking for different ideas and what products to review for their Amazon influencer account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.